The Words That Built a Bridge, based on Proverbs 15:1. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. A comic series by J-MUP Books on theme, Anger, authored by Tanvi Joseph. It was a rainy Saturday morning. The David family was getting ready for Cousin Mia's birthday party. 10-year-old Noah was already frustrated. He couldn't find his shoes, his little sister Ellie was humming loudly, and his mom kept reminding him to brush his hair. "You're so annoying, Ellie," he snapped. Ellie stopped humming and looked down, her eyes filling with tears. Ellie was upset, her eyes filled with tears. My friends know that a harsh word stirs up anger. "Noah," Mom said sharply, "that was uncalled for." Now Noah was angry. "Why does everything have to be my fault?" he yelled and stormed off to his room, slamming the door. Finally, the Davids were at Mia's birthday party. Things didn't get better. Noah didn't feel like playing with anyone, and Ellie stayed close to their mom. When Cousin Jake teased Noah about being grumpy, Noah shouted, "Just leave me alone! Nobody asked you!" The room went quiet. Jake frowned and walked away. At home, Noah's dad gently pulled him aside. "Son," he said quietly, "do you know what just happened?" Noah looked down. "I didn't mean to. They make me mad." "Maybe," Dad said, "but shouting back is like pouring fuel on a fire. It doesn't put it out, it makes it bigger." Later that evening, Noah sat with his grandpa on the porch. The rain had stopped. "You know," Grandpa said, "when I was your age, I lost a good friend over a silly fight. I used harsh words because I thought I was right. But if I had just stayed calm, maybe we'd still be friends today." Noah looked up. "What should I have said to Ellie this morning?" Grandpa smiled. Something gentle, like, "Ellie, could you please stop for a bit? I'm feeling a little stressed." It helps people understand how you feel without hurting them. You know, friends, a gentle answer turns away wrath. The next morning, Noah quietly slipped into Ellie's room. She was coloring. "Hey, Ellie," he said, "I'm sorry for yelling at you. I was grumpy, but I shouldn't have said that." Ellie smiled a little. "It's okay," she said. "Want to color with me?" Noah nodded. "Sure. Also, I'll try to be kinder next time." That day, Noah learned that kind words aren't just nice, they're powerful. They build bridges where anger builds walls. The morale of the story, whether it's home, school, or friendships, harsh words can hurt, but kind words can heal. When things feel tense, remember Proverbs 15:1 and choose to speak gently. You might be surprised at how peace follows. We hope you now know how to deal with your emotion of frustration and anger. You know Jesus. The Word of God is the only way we can make ourselves and everything around us beautiful. For more such content, stay connected with us in our YouTube and Instagram channel. We also have an amazing collection of books that will help you know more about Jesus and how you can practically live like Him in everyday life. Be blessed. Love and prayers.